How to fix the Roblox Studio not installing. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can fix the Roblox Studio not installing. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your Windows and here you have to type the run. Now once you are in the run app, here you have to type the command in which you have to write app data and you have to simply press the enter or the OK. Now from here you have to go in the local and find out the option of the Roblox, and after that you have to click on the variants. Now here you have to find the variants of your Roblox that you are using, and once you find it you just have to click on it, and after that you have to scroll down and here is the option of the Roblox Studio installer. You have to click on it. Now from here you have to launch the Roblox Studio launcher beta. Now once you click on it, it is able to connect your Roblox to your home page. Now after that you are able to install the Roblox Studio installer in your Roblox. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.